Hello everyone, I am Priya Banerjee. I am from Bakura, West Bengal. So today I want to share my honest experience with the Avison TechnoServe, that is the training and the placement company to learn to secure a good job and learn the new IT skills. So when I first joined Avison, I was looking for a place where I could not just learn the theory, but also I want to gain my practical knowledge, and also I want to gain and boosted my confidence level, and also I want to gain my communication and technical skill that prepare me to find the real job roles in IT field. So right now I exactly happy to say that what I exactly found here. So in Avison, the trainers are very helpful, very supportive, and they mainly their focuses on the real time learning, and trainers are explain the concept clearly and always ready to help with the doubts. So at Avison, the training was practical and industry relevant, in which I was gain my confidence level, and where I was gain my networking skills and also IT supports that I used in every day in my job role. So in Avison, the environment was very good and very friendly, that make my journey and make my learning easier, and very friendly. So one of my biggest reason to join Avison, that is the placement support. The placement teams have worked continuously to find the good opportunities and guide us to find my career path. So uh, recently I have completed my 45 days of training in IT internship program from Avison, where I got a job opportunity from Impact Infotech with a CTC of 2.6 LPA. I want to really thanks to Avison to secure me a good job, and good job in IT field, and their IT field, and thanks to Avison, that is changed my life and strength my career path. So if you are someone who are searching for the job role, so I suggest you to join Avison and get a good placement from them. Thank you.